in society in the near future?
It has the opportunity to really help society as a whole, but it's very dangerous because it's opened up the boundaries and we're very detrimental to society as we have. So we're very careful. We made mistakes back with the internet. Yeah, the internet came, and I was talking to Dick Gephardt, who was there. He voted for it. I voted for giving Section 230 protection to the internet, because he said, they told us if you don't give us immunity and protection, it'll never develop for what it could be. We never put any guardrails on the cloud. Now we're going to make sure we don't make the mistake that they obviously made with the internet, and then we get both of them with guardrails. And basically, things that are detrimental to society should not be able to come on to major programs such as this. The advancement distributors a lead.
Next, also, many studies have pointed out that AI will have the capability by 2050 to replace nearly 100 million jobs. But realistically, what impact do you think AI will have?
I've been hearing that since I've been a young person. Every time new technology, that is, will take all the jobs away. It'll take traditional jobs away, and it'll create more opportunities in the long run. It always has, because it opens up so many spectrums of how do you improve the quality of life, how do you become more effective and efficient, things of that sort. So there's always a silver lining. You have to look for that. And every time they've told me, and if there was not cell phones, I grew up, and they said, well, cell phones will do this, well, computers will do this. And it's really created more opportunities in technology.
And also, what legislation do you think will be most impactful in regulating AI for the future?
With Section 2, we've got to put, we cannot give it the immunity that we gave the internet, and we got to make sure we would put the guardrails on what is able to be used for these types of programs. Is it better for healthcare? Is it better for humankind? Is it better for education? All the things that can improve the quality of life without socially attacking us, to where it changes our thought process or controls our thought process, and then basically using for detrimental things, the things that damages us.
And one last thing, what's one piece of advice that you'd like to leave with Gen Z as they navigate this new field of technology?
I just think you have to be open to everything you can and look at the process, making sure that the things you see that you don't like, social pressures that you're at your age group. Where's the social pressures coming? Where are you getting your news? Where are you getting your information? What do you know is factual or not factual? What's true or false? How can you eliminate that? There's a place where you know they get to be more accurate, now able to make good decisions, thought process. You don't want a machine thinking for you. It's still the human touch with mind. But that's what you should be looking for, making sure that it doesn't prevent you from intervention.
Thank you so much.